Hey traders, welcome to the Science on Forex YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you exactly how to become a profitable trader by explaining multi-time frame technical analysis and order flow perspective. Now not waste any more time, let's go to the strength in the chart to find some good trading opportunities. Okay, so today I am going to talk about Euro USD and the reason for which I want to break down Euro USD because we are very near to having a good trading opportunity, obviously capitalize on Euro USD. So I want to create full breakdown that usual I will be keeping as educational as possible. So first of all I speaking about the technical aspect of this market. So I will be breaking down the technical for Euro USD and we will then go into what we have from commitment of trader perspective, which is hedge fund are currently doing in the market, and obviously it will help you how to combine technical analysis and sentiment analysis correctly. By the end of video, by using the combination of our technical and order flow perspective, we will be able to understand where are the best probabilities for the next moment on Euro USD. Okay, let's jump into the chart. Now starting from the monthly time frame, what we can see in the market. Now generally speaking in the market, if we have impulse, what we will expect? It should be create corrective pattern. Its market exactly did. We have nice impulse and correction pattern. After that market should move to the upside, creating another impulse for the create impulse correction and impulse pattern to the upside. In this area, we can see very nice resistance area, which is now turned into the support area. Currently, market testing this new support area and continues to the upside. So, in the monthly time frame, everything quite bullish. Now, going down into the weekly time frame. In the weekly time frame, what we can see in the market. If we have an impulse, what we can expect? It's not large impulse. It should be create another impulse to the upside. Everything happening between it's called correction. Currently we have nice impulse as well as we have nice correction pattern after that impulse. Because we can expect another impulse to the upside for the creation of impulse correction and impulse pattern and creation of higher high. This previous resistance area which is now turned into the support. In the monthly and weekly time frame, market potentially move to the upside. Now we consider about the daily time frame. In the daily time frame, we can see nice rejection of this area. It was discussed about our previous video. Currently we can see nice pattern, inverted head and shoulder pattern, as well as we can see nice resistance area and marker rejected on this area. But we can see another nice support in this area. Because we can expect market should move to the upside, continuously creating another inverted head and shoulder pattern. So in the monthly, weekly and daily time frame potentially move to the upside. If we going to see quote perspective, what we can see in the market, which is hedge fund are currently doing in the market. In the last report, we can see net position decrease, but we consider about previous report net position increased net position from 137k to 140k. In last report, 1.9k longs are added and 2.1k short are added. Currently we have 222.8k longs and 82.8k short. Because of that, overall market natural in this time because of our quote analysis. Monthly, weekly and daily time frame combined with quote data are the best time frame for measure direction of the market. When we come to the confirmation and enter to the trade, the best time frame is a 4-hour time frame. So what we will be monitoring price action from a 4-hour perspective in this area. Currently we have 4-hour bearish market waiting for the convert 4-hour bearish market to the 4-hour bullish market for enter to the valid buy entry. Trading is a risky business. Please be careful with your money. If enjoy the video, make sure press like button and comment below. Literally that it will support the creation more video, improve your knowledge. We will see you next video. Thank you.